What's up, guys? I'm back, and today, what are we doing again? What are we doing? We are going to the fair. That is it. We are going to the fair today. So we're going to the fair today with my mom.
Hello.
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 Hello. So, well, this morning we started off with a really fun scene.
That was fun, G.
It was actually really fun. I gotta show you one clip of it. So there's the biggest spider.
It's so disgusting. Hurry, close. Go. You see it? Is it still there?
It's still there.
Is it there?
Yep, it's on the wall. Right there.
Oh! It's bigger than a baseball. Gee, I swear. Go look at it.
No, I'm not looking at that thing.
All right, I gotta kill it with the broom. We can't find the raid. Here we go.
Ah!
Wish me luck. I might die. Watch out, watch out.
Okay, go.
I'm gonna scream and run, so you better move.
Wait.
Oh my god, this is so crazy.
Oh, that's good. All right. Oh, hi. What you doing? Oh, it's cold. So that was the scene. It was pretty fun. The lighting's bad. There we go. So we're just gonna get a couple time lapse of this, and then we'll be on our way and going. So yeah. Now we have to wait. Mom, come back. Come back. Oh, there she is. Hi, Mom.
What?
She's here. Yay. What's that doing, Mom?
Are you actually? I really hate fairs.
Are you getting cash?
Yeah.
Because we're at the fair. Oh, look there. It's like that thing starts coming off and then spins all the way out there. It's really weird. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Do, 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 do.
You didn't
We are
video my
at
code,
the
did you?
fair right now, so yeah.
So you're a child. How old are you?
I'm a child. How old
See,
am I?
wait.
I'm 13.
Ages.
I'm 13.
6 to 12. Oh, you're $10.
Oh, I'm $10. Yeah. We're walking to the rides. Yes. Those are some wieners. I got that on film, Mom.
Yeah. Did you?
Good view. Alright, can I get some
Let's get an information packet.
hot dogs?
Oh, yeah. Let's go here. Let's check out the sit. Get the information.
Okay. You a goat. Nah. Goat. Goat. He's a goat. Goat. They see me rolling. They hating. Patrolling. They try to catch me riding dirty. Try to catch me riding dirty. Try to catch me riding dirty. All that stuff is so fun.
Arts and
Oh,
crafts.
yeah.
My favorite one is like
What? I'll make countdown.
okay, thank you.
Hobby.
These guys must be good. Please take this out.
Oh man, we got an awesome crowd here on a Wednesday. Are you guys ready to have a good day at the fair today? All right, here's the real question. Are you guys ready to see some freestyle motocross here this afternoon? Holy cow, there's a lot of people out there, but you guys aren't very loud today. We're gonna have to work on that. But here's the deal. We got 3 of the gnarliest action sports athletes on the planet right here in the action zone, and these guys are ready to get out here and put a show on for you guys. They're gonna be jumping over 75 feet from that man-made takeoff to that man-made landing. They're gonna be flying over 30 feet above the ground and throwing out some of the biggest, raddest tricks you guys have ever seen. I am going to ask one favor out of each and every one of you folks today, and that is this. When you guys see that bike, that Honda 450, and he comes to us all the way from Twin Falls, Idaho, you guys may have seen him the last 9 years as he's been a competitor at the Winter X Games. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Mr. Willie Elam. The next rider you guys are going to meet today is going to be the guy riding that blue bike. It's his first year here at the Alameda County Fair with us, and he came a long ways to be here. He makes his home in Toronto, Canada, and he's a big up-and-comer in the world of freestyle. I think you guys are really going to enjoy the show he puts on for us out there today. Ladies and gentlemen, if you would, help me make him feel at home here, and put your hands together for Mr. Tyler Davidson. And last but definitely not least, if you guys have been here at the Alameda County Fair with us the last few years, if you've seen our show before, then you're definitely going to remember the guy on the green bike. He's our local here this year at the fair, at least kind of local. He makes Redding, California his home. And believe me when I tell you, this guy has done it all in the world of freestyle motocross. From TV commercials to movies to competitions and demos all over the world. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Redding, California's Nick. Get her done! Mike, now it's going to be the Yamaha of Davidson coming in. And Davidson with a stale fish heel clicker. Saran wrap clicker. Coming into the ramp next, gonna be your own, the California kid, Nick Dunn. And Nick starting us off here with the gorgeous heart attack, holding on to the bars with one hand, the fender with one hand, throwing his body straight in the air. Right behind him, Willie Elam laying down on the job out there with the lazy boy. Now it's the Yamaha of Davidson, and Davidson with an Indy seat grab. Coming up next, going to be once again the guy out of Redding, California, Nick Dunn. And Nick Dunn with a big old cliffhanger, tucking his feet up under the handlebars and throwing those arms all the way up to the sky. Behind him is Willie Elam with a switchblade can. Throwing his legs off the side of his bike, getting them all stretched out. Behind him is Davidson with his Shaolin bar hop, squeezing his entire body through that little window up above his number plate. Now it's done with a seat grab Indy. as he spins around. Willie Elam going to be coming into the ramp next, eyeing up that 75-foot gap. And Willie with the big 9 o'clock neck, all indied out, throwing that Honda one way, throwing his body the other way. Now it's Davidson again, and Davidson with a stalefish switchblade. Now it's going to be the Kawasaki of Nick Dunn coming in once again, and Dunn with the one-handed heart attack. How about your kid from California? You guys got any love for the home street kid out there? All right, we're going to see if you guys were loud enough here this afternoon. Willie Elam's going to let you know. Oh, all the way around, upside down, over 75 feet. How about some noise for the kid out of Idaho, riding the red bike. Now it's the kid from Toronto, and Davidson all the way around. A perfect rotation for the kid from Toronto, Canada. Now it's one of your own again, the California kid, Nick Dunn, upside down, look on, no hands. As he flips that Kawasaki, throws both arms upside down. Behind him is Elam once again. And another perfect rotation there from the Honda of Willie Elam. Tyler Davidson going to be the next guy into the ramp. And here he comes, Davidson with the one-handed backflip, going a little deep on that one. Now the Kawasaki of Dunn again, and Dunn with a gorgeous, all the stops. Now it's Willie Elam. Willie with a kiss of death, standing that Honda straight up and down and throwing those feet all the way up into the California sun. Now it's Davidson again, and Davidson with the slow rotation, one-handed backflip. Here comes Redding Zone, Nick Dunn. Oh, Nick Dunn with the Indy flip. Well, ladies and gentlemen, how about it? You got any love for the Keith Sayers Freestyle Motocross team out there today? All right, we're going to wrap things up for you guys in grand fashion with some freestyle motocross trains. Get your cameras out, you guys. We're going to get them all in the air at the same time, one after the next. It's Willie Elam, Tyler Davidson, and Nick Dunn. 1, 2, and 3. As they turn it back, they're going to give a wave to the crowd. Also, don't forget, right after the show, all our guys are going to be over here signing autographs, meeting fans, and shaking hands. So stick around after the show. Come on over here, grab an autograph poster. Tell the guys they did an awesome job. As they turn it back and get ready to roll into that 75-foot jump once more. Willie Elam, Tyler Davidson, and Nick Dunn. All right, Pleasanton, we've got just one more jump left for you guys. So one more time, do me a favor and make some noise for these boys. Here they come one final time here in our 12:30 show. Willie Elam, Tyler Davidson, and Nick Dunn coming in hot. 1, 2, and 3. Ladies and gentlemen, we are the Keith Sayers Freestyle Motocross team, and we're going to be blowing up the Alameda County Fair for the next 2 weeks. We've got 3 shows coming up for you guys yet today. They go off at 2:30, 5, and 8 o'clock. So tell your friends, tell your family, get down to the action zone.
That was cool. What do you think?
Oh my God, I'm gonna lose my voice from screaming. That was awesome.
That was pretty cool. Now we're gonna go do some stuff. What are we gonna do now?
We're gonna go get your stickers we had made.
Oh yeah, we handmade stickers. And then we're gonna do games or something. So they see me rolling, they hating, patrolling, they try to catch me riding dirty, try to catch me riding dirty. So I got some stickers right here. I got a red one of these ones. I got a blue one and a black one, which is right here, right there. And then I got a shirt too, which is actually dope. Here, Bob, can you hold this?
Elspeth.
Here's the t-shirt. T-shirt, pretty cool. Happy. Oh, come on.
Oh my God, so close. Oh, good try, G.
Come on, Bob. Nice one. Mom, what is that ride called?
Which one?
The one over there where the spinny people are.
Vertigo.
What?
Vertigo.
And what do you get?
Vertigo.
Got him.
Let's go, Gianni.
Go all at the same time, go!
No! I couldn't balance.
Not into the vlog yet. My wheel is looking brand new right here. It's looking brand new. Oh, that's a dehub. Hashtag Drew Maroney. And Devon Rhodes. This is the other piece. I did a tail whip and then I felt a crack. I thought I hit a stick. And then next one I did, it just ripped off. Well, should I super glue it like that? That's what came off. Look, right when I did that first tail whip, I felt the stick come off and that was it. It came off.
Oh, yeah.
That came off and then the next tail whip, it ripped off like this. It hit the ground and it went like that. Should I get super hot glue? Just hot glue it back on like that. That's the end of this vlog. See you later. Have a good time. And all right, that's the end of the videos. He's putting on his undies. That's the end of the video. See you guys later. Subscribe, like, and comment. Oh my god. And see you guys later. It ain't my fault.